can't summon my vehicle. I'm like so slow right now. I can't summon it. Holy crap, I almost jumped off the cliff. I swear, I feel like even though this is a legendary freaking scout rifle, it doesn't do squat even against level 12. I just don't understand. It's such poop. Oh, that's the ball. You mean the servitor? The ball. Rocket launcher! Oh, yeah, I got it! Did you complete the bounty too, or you didn't even get it, this bounty? Okay, there's, this one, it says, the rest of them are on the Cosmodrome. All the rest of these dudes. Wanna go there? Alright. Dude, I want cashews, I want pistachios. Okay, it says that this is the first one. It says, hunt Drevis Wolf. Oh yeah. It says, hunt Drevis Wolf near the Cosmodrome's Forgotten Shore. The next one is, hunt Wanted Wolf okay. The next one is, it says, hunt the Wanted Wolf Enforcer near the Blast in the Cosmodrome. And then it says, hunt Silent Fang in the Cosmodrome's grottos. I'll do the easy one first. What the heck?
Okay, let's see what we can find.
Alright.
Okay, guess we're on it. Fallen, about to drop on us.
Oh.
More fallen.
Where are you guys at? Oh, we're supposed to go to the... Which other one? The first one is the Forgotten Shore. We have to go to the Forgotten Shore first. Oh.
Well done.
Alright, I'll follow you for the Forgotten Shore. Alright, I'll just go with fracture real quick then. Coming. No, the forgotten shore.
Guardian down.
Dude, those are level 2 vandals. you He went to take a crap. I think it is right here. I think it's all the way over here, I'm guessing. All over here? Yeah, Forgotten Shore first. I can't do Crota missions because M6 can't do them. Yeah, it's a bounty. Okay. Where? I invited you already like 8 times. How come you didn't like accept them? Did you leave? Oh, is this the Forgotten Shore getting right here? No, we're doing my missions. Oh, here it is. Alright, we gotta find the dude somewhere. Okay. I'm guessing the wolves are somewhere here. No. Wait, is that epic song? Maybe it's them. Hold on, I'm gonna shout out my stream. Hey, dude, can you go on Twitch real quick? I'm streaming right now. This, like, this session. Do you watch Twitch at all? Yeah, do you watch Twitch? Okay, do you have, like, the app on your phone or anything? Okay. Okay, well, yeah, if you look up my channel, the one right now, State of Karma, I should be streaming, but you don't have to right now. It's State of Karma, capital S. It's the same as my gamer tag except without the 32. And the K isn't capital, only the S is. Oh yeah, that's fine, man. Yeah. Mhm. yeah, huh? I gotta tweet this real quick. We're just waiting for these dudes to spawn.
Guardian down.
Okay, man, hold up. There. No. No, I did not. 3. 3. No, not 6. Suicidal told me 3 or 4, I think.
Guardian down.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here, guys. Go to the Forgotten Shore. He's right here. There's wolves right here, guys. Wolves. Yep, there's wolves right here. I'm getting this Scorcher. No, it's wolves. Wait, where are you going at? Oh, yep, the wolves are right here. Guys, follow. I'm right here in the Forgotten Shore. Really? Maybe it's the bounty. Oh, he's hiding. Oh, yep, they're spawning the wolves. Oh crap, they're invisible. Don't you want to farm the key, dude? Over here. Oh, it's the captain. Oh no. I am not sure where the hell he is. Yup, he died. Let's find the ether key. Where is it? I hear a jingle somewhere. I think this dude knows where it is. Oh!